You're not gonna believe this, but I turned into a cat. I'm the monk of junk. It's monkey junkie, monkey junkie time. No, just joking. I'm here. This is my cat, Speedy. He's so nice. He's so soft and furry. Aww. Meow for the crowd, Speedy. Good boy. Oh, you bit me! Get off of my lap! That's my mean cat, Speedy. He's very intelligent. He knows when to meow when you pull his tail. And so anyways, we thought that he would have fun on the video. I hope you have fun watching it. But just so you know, I am a great hockey fan. If you love hockey, then you gotta watch my next video. It's about hockey. And so anyways, I have a Warrior Dynasty and I score 7 goals a game with it. Mother. So anyways, that was Monkey Junkie time. So sick to see you go. Bleh!